Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn another method of switching between the worksheets or the workbooks. But today we will use a navigation pane to do this. As in our previous lecture, we have seen that you can switch between the worksheets using the hyperlink. But today I'm going to tell you that you can also do the same thing by using a navigation pane. But where the navigation pane is, let's see. So for the navigation pane, where you have to go to, so for navigation pane you have to go to the view tab, and in view tab you can see here this is the navigation in the show tab. So this navigation pane will be used to find the data, charts, tables and other objects in your workbook. How? Let's see. If I go to this navigation pane and if I click on it, you can see that there will be a window on the right side of your worksheet, or you can say on the workbook, in this way. So here you have all the sheets that are basically within this workbook. So these are the different sheets in the, so you can easily navigate, or you can also write the name here to find the required one, or you can also navigate around by using this scroll bar. So if you want to look into each sheet, you can also look by clicking here. So if I click on sheet 1, or if I say this, if I find this sheet name is switching. So this sheet name is, we can check here, is it's switching hyperlink. So let's find here this sheet switching. So here is this sheet. So if I click on this sheet, you can see here that this area is also shown. If you can select this area by clicking on the subheading of this sheet. So similarly you can check in the different worksheets, the rows, the columns, like it's already written here that this navigation bar will help you to find the data, charts, tables and other objects in your workbook. So you can also find here whatever you want. So this navigation pane is very helpful for you to find out the required sheet, or to switch between the different sheets. Like if you want to go to this sheet, you can click here. You want to go to this sheet, you can click here. If you want to go to other sheets, you just need to click them. What you also can do, you can also rename, delete or hide from this. So that thing you can also do from this bar, but here you can also do this. Another important thing is, if I close it, you can also access this by clicking on this sheet 1 of 22. If I click on this, you can also get it here by clicking on this. It means this is a shortcut for accessing the navigation pane. So this is another method that you can use to switch between the worksheets. Like now I want to go to my last worksheet. What I will do, I will click on this, and my last worksheet was switching navigation pane, and just I need to click on it. This is another shortcut way to switch between the sheets. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.